step back lunges. So how this is gonna work is I'm gonna start with both feet about 3-4 inches separating the 2 feet. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brace my stomach. So I'm gonna take an inhale, and then from there, I'm gonna step on one foot as I step back. All of the weight is gonna go on the front leg. So the biggest thing with this is 80% of my weight is gonna be stable through the front leg, and this back foot becomes a kickstand. Now from there, I'm gonna bend the back knee as I ease down, and I'm gonna come right back up, bringing my feet to meet. So it's an inhale as I step back, all the weight's here. Exhale as I come right back up. Now I'm working hard to keep a straight line from knee through hip to shoulder here, which will help hinge me slightly, which helps take the pressure off of my knee, puts a little bit more towards my hip, because the more upright I am, the more quad dominant, the more I hinge forward, a little bit more hip dominant. And then the other thing is that helps to keep my stomach nice and braced as I envision this straight line here. Now, I can load this a variety of ways. I can load this in the racked position and maintain that as I go. I can load this down by my sides. I can go, if I'm standing on one leg, I can hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell on the other side, a barbell across my back. Many, many options here. But the biggest takeaways here is I want to keep most of the weight on the front foot, and I want to make sure that I'm well balanced through that whole foot. So I always have my toes down, so there's some weight on my toes, but probably 70% of my weight's driven through the heel. Belly stays super braced, and I inhale as I descend, so I'm full of air as I change directions from the lowering to the standing part of the movement. That's a step back lunge.